Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit cake at home without an oven. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite digestive biscuits, 100 grams of unsalted butter, and 50 grams of good quality cocoa powder. Don't forget 100 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. These are the foundational items for a delicious, no-bake treat. Now, let's get started on the base. Take your 200 grams of digestive biscuits and crush them into fine crumbs. You can use a food processor for speed or a rolling pin for a bit of fun. Next, gently melt 100 grams of unsalted butter in a saucepan over low heat. Once melted, pour this golden liquid over your biscuit crumbs and mix everything together until well combined. This forms the delicious foundation of your cake. Time for the star of the show, the chocolate mixture. In a separate saucepan, combine 100 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of sugar, and 50 grams of cocoa powder. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring continuously until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture thickens slightly. Once it reaches a nice consistency, remove it from the heat and stir in a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a wonderful aroma and depth of flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together. Pour your rich chocolate mixture over the biscuit and butter base. Mix everything thoroughly until all the crumbs are coated. Then, press this delicious mixture firmly into an 8-inch cake tin or dish lined with parchment paper. Make sure it's evenly distributed. For a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below. Now, the hardest part. Refrigerate your cake for at least 2 hours, or until it's completely set. Enjoy your homemade, no-bake biscuit cake.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.